Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you're looking for that quick and healthy breakfast recipe, I think this recipe is for you. If you don't want it, you could do it maybe for your spouse, for your partner, or maybe for your kids. This is made out of eggs, spinach, cucumber, and some onions. I first start by slicing some onions, and then later on I went straight to slicing the cucumber and making sure that I get the desirable size that I need for this recipe. And this was really looking good, you guys. So I just went for the slicing these, and I went straight to putting my pan on the fire and making sure that it was hot before I put in the garlic, and then I stirred that for like 1 minute, and then I went straight to put the onions and stir for like 1 to 2 minutes before I put the spinach. You guys just follow the instructions and you will get this right, you guys. So I went for that to just put the spinach, and then I stir fry this for like 2 minutes, and after that I now created this piece to put my eggs. And guys, I think that this recipe is really amazing, because when I tasted it I was like, I'm gonna be doing this often, you guys. And if you have someone that you want to spoil like a breakfast in bed, I think you can do this and he or she will love it. So I went for that to put some black pepper and some salt to spice it and make it taste better. Added some little water and just cover it and let this cook for like 2 to 4 minutes, no heat. Okay, and the recipe was ready. So I just turned this into a pan, and look at how it looks, really delicious. And then I went for that to put the butter. I love to always toast my bread with butter. It has this really beautiful and delicious flavor that it gives to your bread that just makes it melt in your mouth. Like, God, this is really nice. So I went for that to do that. I flipped the sides and make sure all the sides were well toasted and ready, and then I just went for that to take them out, and I went for that to put some cheese on it. So I really love this cheese. I don't know if you live in Sweden, I think you can get this in any of the grocery stores, right? So I just put this on my bread and I divided it into two and makes it look really yummy and delicious. So just follow the process and enjoy your meal, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Before I go, please guys, I just want to say that if you love this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I also wanted to make my cucumber taste a little bit spicy and tasty, so I added a little lemon juice, some black pepper and salt with olive oil, and just mix this a little bit before I put it on my meal. And this was really tasting good and delicious. And then I went for that to just place everything on the plate for you to take a look at how it actually looks delicious, attractive. So see you in my next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for supporting me.